In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger something went wrong. Open settings, go to the apps and click on Messenger. Now this is the app informations page. Click on first stop and then go to the data usage. Disable all these options from the first one to the last one and enable them back again. Go back, click on storage or the internal storage right here. Click on clear data and delete. Exactly like that. Now go back to the home page. Open the Play Store if you have Android, and if you are using iPhone you can open the App Store. Search for Messenger and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.